Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you look at my eyes, I look like I haven't been sleeping because I haven't been. I just have a hard time going to sleep. It's been noisy here and stuff, so I'm going to try this thing here. This is a scene speaker and bedside lamp, and it is supposed to play some sounds to make you go to sleep better. So let's open it up here. Sorry, I had a hard time opening it. Let me aim you all down so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I'll assemble it back here. So this is everything out of the box. And here comes with its own little power plug, which is nice. Here's our instructions. The counter's a little wet. It's probably a bad choice. It's funny. Oh, I guess that was from the box. Okay. And then here is our device. So it's like we have different levels of sounds and stuff that we're able to mess with here. So we're going to plug this thing in and give it, oh, it actually works off of batteries. Look at that, it lights up too. So we have different things here. So let's see what happens if I go. Let's see if I can figure this out. It's flashing the light, so I think I might need to plug it in here to get the batteries. Actually, it's USB-C. I think I have this thing here. I'll just plug into it. My USB-C, my outlet is a little far away. Okay, there, we're plugged in. So let's see now what we do. Okay, got it figured out. I had it on Bluetooth mode. You can see like when I push the different buttons.
Mode.
It's Bluetooth mode.
Natural sounds.
Natural sounds. And then when you have it on natural sounds, you can choose the different ones like this one. Here's a cloud. So that's going to be like a rain sound. And then we have a bird. And I can either hear just the bird. So this is just birds if I only want to hear birds. If I only want to hear rain, I guess that's waves. It's a different kind of water. It's weird. That one's just got little wave-looking things, but what's this? Oh, fire. It's a staticky TV. I don't know why that would want to be sleeping to that. Crickets. I don't like crickets so much. And a bell. And then if you want to hear multiples, you can just turn everything on and hear it all. And then you have your different
low battery,
different volume settings. Well, now it's way too loud.
Low battery.
You have your different volume settings. This has low battery, but I am charging it right now. But it does work off of batteries, which is cool. And then
low battery.
You have different
low
settings
battery.
there. Well, just gonna keep saying that. But you get the idea. It's pretty sweet little device, and it should help you sleep good. And I'm gonna give it a try tonight, and we'll see how it goes. But thumbs up, nice little device.